64 points down for the Nifty. So first trade and it's a punching blow once again for the bulls. 63 points down for the Nifty now. What about the Sensex? It's a triple-digit dent for the Sensex. Yeah, 200 points straight off, 1% off. It's a gap down start, and then after a gap down start, selling clearly seems to be intensifying. Bank Nifty down 1%, CNX index or CNX IT index down by about 1%. So for the first time after a gap of many days, IT and banks are moving in a synchronized manner, and that is a scary situation. I'll just run through all the important stocks now. Infosys down, TCS down by about 20 rupees plus. No respite for Wipro. ICICI Bank is leading the decline in metals, even though the cut has been quite vicious for across the board. In key metal stocks, there is honestly no recovery in sight. So more than fresh selling, I think there is lack of buying, which is really causing this kind of collateral damage. Breadth is bad, stocks are down, and with the exception of one or two pharma names, I think there is no rub of green.
You know, the Bank Nifty is now sub 10,000. We haven't seen those levels since October 9th last year. Take a look at the Bank Nifty. Now it's just showing you a smidge of a recovery, but it did crack below the 10,000 mark on opening bell. JP Associates, Innocent Bank, Hindalco, PNB, IDFC, Infosys, BOB, Cessa Sterlite, these are the ones which are at the bottom of the pack as we speak. In fact, there are only 3 stocks holding out in the green, and the predictable names at that. Tata Motors, which just came out with JLR's monthly sales data. Lupin, which continues its out move after a stupendous run-up in yesterday's session post the earnings. So Lupin 2 is holding out. 930 thereabouts is where that stock is. And Power Grid is a smidge in the green. Besides that, all Nifty names are in the red. I just want to quickly get you a flavor of what the broader market too is up to. So Divi's Labs has gotten off to a good start. Tata Motors DVR is seeing some covering as well. It's holding up by about 0.7%. But JP Power, Tata Chemical and Tech Mahindra are the ones which are really getting slashed in trade.